Hey folks, this is your pal Tim Thomas. Wanted to get up here and record a quick video. Hey folks, I hope you guys are staying the course. Before I begin the video, guys, go ahead and like the video. Like the video, guys. Smash that like button. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Hey guys, hope you're out there taking care of yourselves. There's a lot going on. But hey, we will come out stronger and better than we've ever been before. I felt compelled to do this video, guys. I'm getting several calls about you guys asking about different programs and different things and what do we offer people at this point. Hey guys, we want to stay the course. Continue to market your business, guys. People are still going to need to join businesses. People are going to still need to work from the comfort of home as never before. So, and I'm seeing just request after request. People are requesting these systems. They're calling. They're asking for information on how they can earn extra income. So, guys, want to get up here and record this quick video about the programs that we're already doing, guys. This $98 postcard program. Postcard programs are exploding, even in times like this with so much uncertainty spiraling out there. Oh, guys, and before I even go into the video, make sure you take care of your family, take care of each other, and do those things that we have been asked to do, guys. Wash your hands. Hit that like button for that, guys, and make sure that we're doing those things that we've been asked to do. Guys, this Instant Postcard Wealth program is continuing to work. It is absolutely powerful. It's easy, duplicatable. If you can mail a postcard right now, guys, in spite of what the economy does, it is continuing to bring residuals in on a monthly basis. It's an honest, legitimate way. It has a great product. All these programs that we present to you have a great product, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a program that has a great product and offers value in the marketplace. Because at the end of the day, you're going to make sure that you want to offer something that people that has value and that it makes sense. And if it resonates with people, they will partner with you. So I will put the link below the video. Check out this website when you get a chance. One of the great programs, guys. And we even have a postcard stamp program that we can effortlessly email you. When people come involved, they'll give you 100 postcard stamps on 2 different levels. Folks, this is direct mail done right. Here's an example, guys. When you go over this program, look at the example of based on the amount of postcards that you mail. This is exciting. So stay the course. Keep mailing your postcards and flyers. I tell people, don't go crazy. Don't go overboard. But whatever you do, do not stop. Even in these times, as long as mail is running, as long as the post office is open, you stay the course. You know, mailing a few every other day. You know, where you're allowed to get to there, as long as you're allowed to get to the post office. And this is a website, guys, electronically. You can mail postcards. You can do solo ads. Very powerful. Here's the other program, guys, this Instant Cash Solution. This thing is continuing to work. We're excited about that thing, and it works on a daily basis. Here's the levels of participation. Mary Beth and several leaders have already, they've already told us what was possible with these programs. So we're excited about that. You got the bronze, the silver, the gold, and platinum. And you see the price of admission. Now, guys, when you get a chance, go down at the bottom. You can see the product services that is offered with the program has tremendous value. Tremendous value. So I would encourage you, I'll put a link below the video. I would encourage you to go to www.quickpaydays.com and it will give you all the information. Now, guys, look at testimonial. Mary Beth, Dorian, Dennis, Dan, Troy, Tom, all these folks have given their verifiable testimonials as what this program's done. Now, guys, as you would look, when you get an opportunity, you can come back over here, Google Timothy Thomas, Instant Cash Solution Review, under YouTube, and then you got a in-depth review right here. I did an in-depth review and payment proof. Just some exciting stuff with this instant, this CS program is just working flawlessly, and we're excited. We're going to stay the course on it. I went to Staples the other day. I've got a bunch of postcards to be mailed. We've got a lot going out. A lot went out this morning. Some more will go out tomorrow, Monday. Whatever we do, guys, we're going to stay the course with this. Don't slow up, you know. Keep the mail going. And I'm going to tell you what, folks, people are at home, and a lot more people are at home right now, and they're going to be looking for opportunities and offer value. Show them transparency, something that's going to help them. And also, they're going to have more time to look at it for the next however many days or couple of weeks this thing lasts, or we'll see what happens. Now, I do have several people that just joined this program here, and this is exciting. You know, these postcards here, guys, these great levels right here, we have some fantastic levels. This has a great product. It has labels, endless support, conference call we had the other night. Pause the video, dial that number, and it will give you the conference call that we had the other night. And it has, you get 3 levels of participation right here, and it gets kind of exciting when somebody joins you, and then you're on number 2. Let's say you go sign up Sally, Lucy, and Jimmy. You sign up all these folks, and then you got those folks duplicating your success. So that is pretty exciting all by itself. So we're excited about that. If you want a copy of any of these levels of participation, I will put my email address below the video, and you can be able to participate and get this information from me. I'll be more than happy to give it to you guys. All right. Here is some of my favorites also. Let's find it. Folks, I had it in here somewhere. Y'all know my favorites. The Mega. Let me see. I'll find it, guys. It's somewhere in here. These flyers right here. Yep, here we go. This is one of my favorite flyers that I market, guys, and I have had a couple requests, even in the downturn, of people requesting this flyer right here. So, you know, put it in front of them, guys. Show them the value. I have review after review. Go to the channel. Should have a playlist available, and you can have an opportunity to look at this flyer, read it over it. And I tell people all the time, you offer several opportunities, and people will join you. They will get in where they fit in. So you put it out there, leave it, and they will make a decision. Let them make the decision. You know, you don't have to twist people's arms. You don't have to pressure nobody. You just put it out there, and it's up to them. If they make that decision, great. And if it works for them, if it makes sense, if it resonates, if it offers value, you win. Powerful. And then you build a team of duplication, people duplicating your success. Very, very exciting. Look at this. It says, how would you like to receive an unlimited flow of this? Look at this, folks. This right here, daily. Wouldn't that be incredible? Would that make a difference in your life? Look at the income potential. Hit the like button. If you like that, if you appreciate it. Well, Timothy, what is the product? What is the product? What are you trying to offer? Okay, look at this. It says, look at this. You're going to receive, upon confirmation, a welcome kit. This is a physical kit mailed to your home with a physical copy of the flyer with your name and number 1 position. And you're going to get 500 names on pill and stick labels. Folks, this is incredible. Excited about that. And then mailing list information, where we're getting some of the best names in the business that I use on a daily basis. I tell people all the time, whatever you do, stay engaged. You stay engaged. You stay consistent. You know, that's what proves a lot of successful folks that are doing the online stuff, that are pressing forward. You just remain consistent. You know, even, like I said, don't go crazy, but stay the course. Do a few a day, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised of what could happen for you. So excited about that. Okay. Now, folks, my information below the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am available, and we'll go from there. Talking to people all over the country, and it's pretty exciting. Again, folks, take care of your families and yourselves. Practice, guys, proper safety practices everywhere you go. Utilize caution, and again, we will emerge stronger, powerful than we've ever been before, and that is my belief. So we'll go from there. All right, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get some. I had some great jams going here. Let's see if we can end this video up with it. I'll see if I can get that thing started back, so you can enjoy that. Again, guys, excited to have you on the video, and we'll go from there. All right.